Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you my nighttime cleaning routine. These are just some things that I do every night after I put my kids to bed, before I get to bed, just to make sure we set ourselves up for the next day and we're not waking up to a messy house, and that just kind of sets you up for a bad day. At least it does for me anyway. So right now I'm just washing the last few things that we had from the day, things from snacks and things like that after dinner. I am going to clean out the drain and the sink and just give the sink a little wipe down. I don't wipe it down like this with the baking soda and soap every night. I do it every couple of days whenever the sink looks like it needs a little extra love and attention. After I am done washing the sink, I put my reusable sponge into the dishwasher and then I start the dishwasher. I have a video on 5 things that I like to use around the house that are reusable. I will have that video linked right here on the screen, and I show you all of the awesome things that I have. I love to use the reusable sponges because I can scrub my sink really well and not have to chuck the sponge. I can just put it in the dishwasher and be on my way and not have to throw it out. Now I'm just setting up some purification by Young Living in my diffuser while I wipe all of the counters down. And now we are just moving on to the living room, where I'm just going to straighten up the pillows, fluff everything, and then just give the living room a vacuum. I had a few Amazon boxes that needed to be brought downstairs, so just put that by the stairs. Next time I go down, I will bring everything down with me to put in the recycling. I have the Dyson V6 vacuum. I love it. I know there's a lot. It's a couple years old now. It's probably 4 or 5 years old. So there's better ones and upgraded ones out there that has like the little digital screen that tells you your battery and stuff like that. But this one works really well, and we have a dog and picks up dog hair and I can do the whole house usually with one charge. Now we are just folding a load of laundry. This is something that I do every night to make sure that we are caught up on laundry. I start it either once everyone has showered and bathed and I have wiped down the whole kitchen. So that way I have all my wet rags and things like that are all in the washing machine. And then as I'm cleaning, I will switch it over to dry. And then if it's done, I'll either do it at night before I go to bed, or I will do it in the morning when I wake up. it's anyone else's dog, sit with them absolutely everywhere they go. My dog is so attached to me lately. I think it's because we've been home so much. But anywhere I go, she is right there with me, watching me. You can see her little head back and forth, just watching me everywhere I go. She's so cute, but also kind of gets in my way, but that's okay. We work around it. She's so cute. So now I'm just kind of wiping everything down in my bedroom, just the cable box. I just noticed when I was putting away some laundry that there was a little bit of dust on the furniture. So I'm just going to wipe everything down quickly, and then I am done for the night. Right now that all the laundry is put away, here's a little overview of everything nice and clean. The dishwasher is running, the counters are clear, cleaned off, the living room is cleaned off. Everything is all set and ready for us to wake up in the morning with everything clean and tidy and ready for a good day. I hope you guys like this video. I would love for you to please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe. Bye, guys.